Hello, this is Claire Kerslake, and today I want to take you through a really lovely goal setting process using EFT to really supercharge your goals and dissolve any resistance to that action taking that is so necessary. So, how do we do this? So, firstly, you write out your goal in the usual way, and it might be, let's say you have a goal to increase your, stick to your healthy eating plan. It might be a weight loss goal, whatever it is. So write out that goal. And then the next step is to rate out of 10 how likely you think you'll be able to achieve that goal. So, whether it's 1, which is very unlikely, or 10, you're absolutely going to nail it. Now, for many people, that number will not be a 10. So if it's a 10, that's great. You can just go off and do your goal. If it's less than a 10, the question I want you to ask yourself is, why isn't it a 10? And what this question will do is just tease out any reasons and resistance that you have around achieving that goal. And we can go ahead and dissolve those with EFT. So, it might be that it's too hard to cook healthy meals, might be that you don't want to, might be lots of different reasons that might come up for you. So just write them all down. So the next step we're going to do is just work on those reasons with EFT and dissolve them right down. So as with any EFT, I advise that you rate the intensity of those reasons, and you might have 10 or 20 reasons, that's okay. And you might be able to group them, or it might be that you tackle them all individually. So rate them out of 10 again, but this time it's how intense are they. So it might be 0, it's really not intense at all. It might be 10 out of 10, where this is absolutely really strong, this reason or resistance. And then what I want you to do is tap on those reasons and get that intensity right down, and you'll know if you've heard me before, get it down to 1 or below, so it's really not an issue anymore. So work through those reasons with EFT. Now once you've done that, circle back to your goal and feel into it, and once again rate how likely you are to achieve that goal out of 10, and the intensity should have gone up, like the likelihood, should have gone up. So it might not be a 10, but certainly it should be higher. So this is a really lovely exercise for you to do on your goals and from any area. Obviously, I help women with emotional eating using EFT. So I've got very much a health focus, but it does work on any area. Really quite beautifully to dissolve those resistance, some of which you'll be unaware that you even had. So, and you can even do this daily, write out your goal daily, do this process, and you'll notice that your likelihood of achieving your goal will go up and up, and you'll be dissolving those resistances that can really stop you taking the action that we need to take. So that's it from me today. Hope you found this really helpful. And look forward to seeing you soon. If you'd like some one-on-one help with this, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email me, claire@clairekerslake.com, or simply head over to my blog, clairekerslake.com, and my coaching page. Okay, looking forward to touching base soon. Bye for now.